Carefully remove the panels and frames from the packaging. Set frame inserts aside until later steps. All frame parts are labeled: top, left, right, and bottom, the sill plate. Set the frame parts on a flat surface. Line up the corners so slots for the Hoffman keys are formed. Insert a Hoffman key into each slot. The Hoffman key has a rounded side and a flat side. The rounded side should be inserted facing down into the slot. Once inserted, the flat side should be flush with the frame. Finish by securing each corner with the included mitered connecting screws via the pre-drilled holes. The screws should go in at an angle. Once secured properly, no part of the screws should be sticking out from the frame. Connect the side frames and the sill plate using 2 mitered connecting screws on each side of the sill plate. Position the assembled frame evenly around the window opening against the window edges. Then use 1 screw to secure the upper left frame only. Once the 1 screw is secured, level the frame on the window. To keep the frame leveled, tighten the screw into the upper right frame. The shutters will be fully secured in later steps. Place the left shutter panel into the frame. Align the hinges and insert the hinge pins. Repeat for the right shutter panel. If panel hinges do not align with frame hinges properly, then frame hinges can be adjusted. Please check the gap between the panel and frame at both the top and bottom. The gap should be even. If not, then shift the frame left to right until the gap is even. Once even, secure a screw at the bottom of the left frame and right frame. Open and close the panels to make sure they operate properly. Then secure the frame by tightening the rest of the screws into the frame. Fasten all the hinges by securing each with the deadlock screw. Match each frame insert with its corresponding side of the frame. These are all labeled. Snap each frame insert into place. These will cover screws and provide the finishing touch for your window. Congratulations on installing the world's finest shutters.
To get yours today, shop online at homedepot.com/blinds or visit the custom shade area at your local Home Depot store.